welcome back to my channel. I am currently at the thrift store about to go in to try and find some items for my Halloween costume. I'm actually doing a video with my horse. We're both gonna be dressed up as mummies. I'm dressing her up, like I'm creating a whole costume for my horse. So if you guys want to see how I do that, if you want to see how it turns out, I will leave that video linked down below. We've turned it into a little tradition. I did the same thing last year. I turned her into a skeleton and I turned myself into a skeleton too. So if you want to see that video, I will leave it linked down below. Oh my god, this weird car is just staring at me. Did I mention him at the parking lot at Goodwill? I think I did. Okay, he drove away. So this year I actually decided to film the process of creating my costume. Last year I didn't do that. Last year I just showed up on camera already dressed in my costume. But this year I decided, you know what, let's film it. So that's what I'm doing on this channel. I'm thinking I'm gonna buy some like gauze. I'm not too sure about the gauze yet. Or bed sheets and just cut up the bed sheets. Like I don't want to spend a bunch of money on this. So let's run into Goodwill and see what they have. I also need to find like undergarments to wear under the costume. I don't know, it just has to be white or like a beige top and bottom. I wanted to do like a bandeau top and high-waisted shorts or something like that. I can find a t-shirt and like cut it into a bandeau top. I don't know, I have to see. I don't even know what I'm doing with my hair yet. Should I get a wig? Hairspray? White? I think I'm gonna do this actually. Alright guys, I couldn't find anything to wear underneath all my wrapping stuff. I did get some bed sheets to try and use as my bandages. I'm gonna try and find something on Amazon or Forever 21. If I do find it, I will leave it linked down below. Guys, I came to Walmart and look what I found. Is this weird that I'm showing you underwear? I don't know, but I decided to come to Walmart last minute just because I have to grab some groceries. I found exactly what I was looking for to go under my mummy costume. I found the top. Now I have to find the bottom, so we'll see.
Eventually.
Alright guys. Sorry about my chicken. So that last clip you saw was a couple weeks ago, I think like 2 weeks ago. Now I'm actually getting started on the costume. Sorry about my chicken, again. I just finished the costume on my horse, Crystal. I'm gonna leave that video linked in my description box if you guys wanna go see how I dressed her up. She's outside waiting for me to get dressed up, so now I'm gonna do it with you guys. The floor is a disaster because I just cut a bunch of bed sheets into strips. I'll show you. Like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and change into the clothes I'm gonna wear underneath. Let's do that. Alright guys, this bandeau top is from Walmart and these high-waisted shorts, underwear kind of thing is also from Walmart. And I'm gonna go ahead and start wrapping. This is gonna be my first time doing this, so let's see how this goes. I don't even know how I should do this. I'm gonna just tie this here. Like that. And then I'm gonna start wrapping. Guys, I hope this is looking good. Guys, this is a lot harder than I thought. This whole thing is like, it's just falling. I'm just gonna continue. My bottom part is falling apart. How do I do this? Everything's falling apart actually. How do I do this? Why is it like coming off like this? These bed sheets are looking cool though, not gonna lie. Alright. I look crazy. That's good, right? I'm gonna pause on my body really quick and just start working on my head. I don't even know what I'm gonna do, something like this. I'm gonna name this video attempting a mummy costume, okay? Because I don't think I'm a good example for this. That looks cool, right? I can't even see myself. Okay, I think I should like try and wrap it all the way down. But I'm gonna pause and work on my face really quick. I might mess this up right now. Okay, I have some white. I don't know if I should put white on me. Alright guys, I think that's it. I'm gonna just stop. I know it's not perfect, but it's falling apart. This is bothering me. I should have done this last. I'm gonna do black lips. I'm gonna get some black eyeshadow. That's a sharp line.
Alright guys, I'm sorry I'm like rushing so much. It's just I feel so bad. My horse is like outside waiting for me. I don't want her standing out there in her mummy costume for so long, so I'm trying to rush. So I know this is very sloppy and stuff. I'm gonna try and do some like white streaks on my hair really quick. I don't even see white coming out of here. Literally, it's not doing anything to my hair. Yeah, nothing. I'll just make it look a little crazy. I don't know if I should make my eyes black. I feel like I should. I don't feel like going to get my brushes right now. This is white Halloween powder. Okay, I'm just messed up. I look crazy, which should be good, right? But I don't know. I'm just gonna go like this. I think I'm good, you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and see how we look together, me and my horse.
Alright guys, that is it. This is my final look. Well, I had this draped across my face, you guys saw, but it kept on falling off, so I just like took it off. When I was doing my costume inside, she sort of destroyed hers. As you can see, it's draped all over the place. So these last few clips of the video, she looks like a hot mess. But I'm proud of what I did in the beginning. Thankfully, I got a good clip of that when I first finished her costume. Obviously, if I wasn't doing this with my horse, I would take my time because I feel bad for her standing out here and waiting for me. But besides that, I think it turned out pretty good. Like for me, rushing and struggling. If you guys want to see how I dressed up my horse, make sure to check out that video. I'm gonna leave a link to my description box. That's it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoy. Have a happy and safe Halloween, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Alright, sweet girl. Next it's my turn, but you guys don't have to see that. Is that what mummies do? You're making me laugh. Okay. I really scare them. Randy, it's me. I guess my costume's the good one.